Are you looking to grow traffic to your website? Well, one of the best ways to do that is to find low competition but high traffic keywords. If you're a local business, the best thing you can do is to find the high traffic, low competition keywords in your local market. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this here so you can target the absolute best keywords with the highest return on investment for your business. So I'm going to break this down simple and easy, and we're going to use Google Keyword Planner because it's free and it's a tool that many businesses have access to. So just set up your account and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So first thing, just go to Keyword Planner, start with a website, and then grab your website. Today, I'm going to be pretending I own this amazing lumber yard. So this is an independently owned local lumber yard around me here in Colorado. So I'm going to grab the website address here, and I'm just going to paste in the URL. So then I'm going to get results for the website. So now you can see it's filtered down all of these results, right? So it's got a whole bunch of keyword ideas for me. So the next thing I'm going to do, because we want local results, is I'm going to click right here on United States, and I'm going to switch this to Denver, right? And just for simplicity, I'm just going to use the basic Denver region one, and then get rid of the United States there and save it. What you would want to do is whittle that down to your county, city, state. There's all types of tools, so you can just whittle this down to the area you aim to service. Okay, great. Now we're getting closer. Now I've got the keywords in Denver. That's great. But what I'm looking for specifically is I'm looking for the ones that have low competition, but also have high volume. So you can see here, I've got two columns. I've got competition, which shows how competitive the ad placement is. That's going to give me a good sense. If it's competitive for ad placement, it's probably more competitive to rank for. And then you've got average monthly searches here, which tells me on average how many people search for this in a given month, right? So it gives me an idea of how many customers I could potentially attract if I can rank number one for this keyword. So the best way to filter this next is to go here to add filter. And then we've got all these filters that show up. We're going to do competition, and then we're going to filter matches to low. So we want the low competition keywords. Now we've got all the low competition or unmarked, which means low. And then we just go over here to average monthly searches, and we just click on this to order it from highest to lowest. And so now you have in order the highest to lowest keywords with low competition, but the highest volume to target for your business. So you can see Colorado Lumberyard, Beetle Pine. This is going to give you a ton of ideas. Clearance composite deck, Trex composite deck boards, right? All products that a lumberyard would sell. Composite deck boards, Trex, Trex installation, Trex suppliers, wide composite decking. Now you know, hey, these are all the locally searched keywords, right? And that have low competition. And here's the average monthly searches for those things in my area. Now I can do things to target those, and stay tuned because check out the next videos where I talk about how to use AI tools to target keywords with content so your business ranks at the top, which then draws in all the traffic for all those different keywords. Thanks for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe so you can keep learning ways to grow your local business. Talk to you soon.